What do you work here?
As a delivery boy.
You're a delivery guy?
Yeah.
Okay. And you said there is 9 of you in that place.
Yes.
250 per person.
Yes.
Okay. And how much can you afford that? Do you earn enough to pay that?
Sometimes it is. Sometimes this time in winter season it is hard.
It is hard in winter?
Yes. Otherwise in summer season it is possible.
It is possible.
Yeah.
How much do you earn when it's winter?
It's around 1,000.
Around 1,000 euros?
Yes.
Okay, and then you pay here 250?
No. 920 euros we have to already pay, and rest of is ours.
The rest of it is yours. So how much is yours?
Total we have to earn 2,000 euros per month.
For 1 month.
Yes.
Okay. And do you cook in here?
Yeah, we cook. We cook ourselves, and we.
Where do you eat? Do you have a table?
No.
No tables? Just like a bed and that's it?
Yeah. Bad, and we manage ourselves.
You manage yourselves? Are you all men here? Is there any
men,
women?
yes.
Okay, just men. Are you from the same area?
Yeah, we have 4 of them, same area, and 5 are east side, Nepal east side.
Nepal from inside, okay. And do you know did the agency gave you this apartment, or did you find it yourself?
No, we did not find ours, just agency.
Did you have to pay to the agency? Did you have to give them some money so you can find work here?
Agency for another work?
Yeah.
Yes, some people say we have to give 250, 300, 400 euros for another new job. Then they will take. Then they will find us a new job.
Oh, they're so
without money they will not.
So new job costs 300 to 400 euros.
Like what type of job, it depends.
Okay.
Some takes 250, 300, and some maybe from 400 also.
Did you?
I heard that.
You did that already?
No. I came first in this company. My friend. I heard from friend.
You're from friend.